biotechnology is the backbone of industries like semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnology. By controlling airborne particles and contamination, it ensures high-quality manufacturing and product safety. Here's a quick look at the market leaders in 2025. Exide GmbH leads the market with 9%. Daikin Industries follows with 6%, supported by its advanced HVAC and air filtration solutions. Camphil AB holds 5%, making it a global leader in cleanroom filtration technologies. DuPont captures 4% through its cleanroom garments and contamination control products. And Taikisha Limited rounds out the top 5 with 3%. The remaining 73% of the market is shared by numerous global and regional players, making cleanroom technology a competitive and innovation-driven industry. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.